Today, the business world is at a crossroads in multiple ways. On the one hand, the digital experiences we create for customers have never been more important. No matter what product you make or sell, customers' first impression of your brand and their continued engagement with it increasingly take place in digital channels. Now, add the generative AI boom to the mix, and product leaders are feeling the pace of change increase exponentially. Before you chart your path forward, though, it's important to take a step back and consider why AI tools are so transformative in product management. The technology behind large language models, or LLM tools like ChatGPT or Google's Bard, uses deep learning algorithms to process natural language input and generate human-like responses. The system is trained on a massive data set of text from the internet, including books, articles, and web pages, and uses this data to learn the patterns and relationships between words and phrases. When a user inputs a question, the tool uses this knowledge to generate a response that's contextually relevant and grammatically correct, but also diverse, informative, and engaging. Beyond LLMs, a similar technology can also be applied to other fields to create novel content, automate tasks, and enhance user experiences across a wide range of applications. In image generation, for example, deep learning models can create realistic images from textual descriptions or even generate entirely new artistic visuals. In code generation, these models can assist developers by automatically generating code snippets or suggesting code completions based on context. And in voice generation, models can synthesize human-like speech for applications like virtual assistants and voiceovers, making interactions with technology more natural and engaging. These applications highlight the versatility and potential impact of deep learning algorithms in various domains beyond natural language processing. All that being said, there's no question AI technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with businesses, products, and each other in the years to come. Think back to the invention of the iPhone, which revolutionized the way we communicate, consume media, and access information. The iPhone led to an unprecedented level of connectivity and convenience for billions of people worldwide. It sparked a wave of innovation in mobile technology and app development, creating tons of new opportunities for entrepreneurs and developers. It also paved the way for the rise of social media and mobile commerce, transforming the way we shop, work, and interact. Overall, the iPhone has fundamentally reshaped the way we live, and AI will have the same transformative impact. The sooner businesses adopt this new technology and understand its potential impact on their software, digital experiences, and product roadmap, the better. At the highest level, AI's pattern recognition, categorization, and summarization capabilities will change the way product managers analyze quantitative and qualitative data, which is fundamental to the role. LLM technology can also shape the in-product experience and users' ability to self-serve support, purchases, and beyond. Companies that missed the mobile trend were severely impacted years ago, and some are still recovering. Businesses should be extremely wary of falling into the same trap with the dawn of AI. In the next lesson, we'll dig into how to form the right AI strategy.